Are you filming? Okay. Today the weather is raining. How typical Irish weather it is. Yesterday we had a bit of a snow, and the snow didn't even take the whole day. So within the afternoon it was gone. I thought I'll be able to film today and get a bit of snow weather in Ireland, but unfortunately not. So it's just the typical Irish weather, which we love, getting used to it. So if you want to come to Ireland and enjoy this weather, this is it. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so anyway, like I did mention, I'm gonna get a few of filming stuff, because I'm thinking there's some online courses that I want to do on photography and cinematography. I don't know what that word is. So I'm gonna buy 20 euro. Okay, thank you. So if you have any kind of events, if you have birthday parties, if you have weddings, if you have any kind of functions, I want to kind of train myself to be videotaping and taking pictures. It's very short courses that I do online, and I'm learning how to do all those with my equipment. So yeah, just contact me online and I can come and practice for free for now. So thank you so much for watching. Okay. Hey. Thank you. Can you switch that off? Okay, so I went into Grafton Streets, off Grafton Streets, and this store, Select, they do iPhone products. They really did take care of me, and I'm quite happy with the service. From the beginning to the end, it was raining, so I left my phone in the store, so they were happy to just hold it until we did our shopping and came back for the phone. So good customer service. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Hello, hi now beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Subscribe to my channel. If you have been watching my content, thank you so much for watching. Hi now, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Lott. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you're new to my channel, click that red button, share, like and subscribe. So anyway, today I did my unboxing of my MacBook. So I kind of want to talk about why I decided to buy this laptop. It's because I needed an upgrade. I have been using both Windows and my iPhone. For in that sense, it just kind of was a mixer of both products. So I kind of needed to focus on just one product. So transferring documents from a window to an iPhone or iPhone to a window was a bit of a challenge to me. So I decided to just stick to one product. So that's why I got my Mac. And the other reason is because it fits perfectly into my bag, my big bag, so I can carry it around when I go, I travel, it can fit perfectly back well into my handbag. Okay. These are my devices. I say that to transfer. I got myself 2 products that I am going to be unboxing today. Okay, so the reason why I should show you this product is because I cleaned it out. I use MacBook and work. Sorry. Okay, so here are some of the basic specs that I have in my MacBook Pro 13. So I got a space gray, and this Mac cost me $1.629. It has a memory of 8 gigabytes. It also have a storage of 256 gigabytes. So what else can I say about this beautiful products? It is very light. It is, yeah, so I will put up the specs on the screen for you to have a look at this, but this is basically what I have for this product. Thank you so much for watching.
Safe and that I will see you soon. If I can make
let me just quickly do just go with that. Check like or